Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our settings. Now we have to click on advanced features option, and here we have to choose screenshots and screen recordings. Now here we have record sound, and now we can choose if we want to record our media and mic, or none of them. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!